swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Chiaga Hilary Innocent, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to the Republic of Uganda, to the Parliament, and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Okay, that is Dr. Hilderman for you. He's a certified member of parliament now for Yamegameria. He once upon a time became the kingmaker, and now he's the king. What is the lesson in all that? I think Mubulamu, we all have our time. There's always going to be your right time. So it is good to dream big. Don't look kuno kumpimpi. Look beyond. Hilderman for us saw this coming maybe. Kat is now a certified member of parliament. Iranga agenda kuchikirira abantu as an artist. We don't see him. We are yet to monitor how they perform musically in parliament because they are representing us. Tusobira okuba ne kugundi maasawo.